Hi everybody! So in this video I decided to do my own wooden leather strop to clean tips. I thought I had this wooden spatula that was waiting to be burned for like a year, and I also had this suede leather here in my home that I used to finish soutache earrings, which I used to make. So this actually cost me nothing, just the time to make it. This wooden spatula is very cheap. Actually, the ones, the leather strops sold by Amazon are not expensive. They are like £5 or something like that. But anyway, this one cost me nothing because I already had the components. So you will end up with two sides. This one you may want to use to wipe off some carbon during burning, and the other side can be used and should be used to clean tips. I've already tried it, as you can see. I use this aluminium oxide polishing compound. Optima, for example, sells these for $2, and this will last you like forever. So here is the video, and as you will be able to see, hot glue does not work. It dries very fast, and instead of having a soft straight surface, you will end up with a bumpy rug one that is not proper for cleaning your tips. So don't use hot glue. I used on the other side, you can see in the video, some contact glue, and I was able to take this out and scrap the hot glue and glue this again with some contact glue. As you can see, it's soft, straight, and it has no strange things below it. So let's watch the video, and I hope it helps you build one for yourselves or just for fun of watching. Thank you. And so these are the materials I've used. The wooden spatula that I bought in a store nearby. It's very cheap, like 50 cents or something like that, and two pieces of suede. Why the suede? It's just because this is the underside of the skin, which makes it really soft, and it's more proper to use for the tips because it doesn't damage them. It has two sides to it, so I've placed a number. This side is the side that I'm gluing on the spatula. So I have two different sides, one to wipe some carbon during burning, and the other one for proper cleaning of the tips with aluminium compound or some green compound. I don't know which one you usually use. I will be using aluminium compound, which I ordered from Optima. It costs $2, as I've said before. It's really cheap, and you just have to rub a little bit of it on the leather, so it will last you a long time. So So this first piece will be placed here, and this is where everything goes wrong. Because of the hot glue. I thought this would be faster, and it is indeed fast, too fast actually. I wasn't aware that this glue dried so fast. I would swear I've used it before and it was not like this, but well, anyway, I had glue all over the place. The end result was a mess. By this time the glue was already dried, so I had these bumpy things under the leather. This was a real mess, but I tried to do it until the end. I thought that somehow I would manage to make it right, I don't know. So don't try to use hot glue, because it really does not work. At least it didn't work for me. If you try it, you're on your own. This is what I came across, so I'm not recommending it. On the other half, on the other side, you can see the contact adhesive that I used instead of the hot glue. That works perfectly, and you will achieve a perfect result. So, because this is not working, I'm using some contact glue. Let's see if this is better than the other one. I hope so, because the other one is a mess. I'm so sorry. I didn't test it. This part is actually the inside of the skin. I think this one works really much better. So don't use hot glue. It does not work. So now you just have to wait for it to dry, and here you have it, a wood leather strop. You can use aluminium oxide or any other compound that you usually use to clean your tips. Well, this side is not so good. So here you have a fast and cheaper way to make a leather strop. I hope it works for you and see you soon.